just left Bubba's Tri-City Cycles. I picked up a new Speedo cable. I'm gonna go ahead and go home and put on. Got my wife a shirt, see if she likes it. Let's get off the side of the road now. Welcome to this old Harley. I'm back. This morning on my way to work, my speedometer stopped working. So I stopped at Bubba's Tri-City Cycles and picked up a new one on my way home. He said I bought this one. We looked in the computer in 2015. So it didn't last but 6 years. So I don't know. I have a new one. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on now. Alright, I'm back. So first thing I want to do is take my front fairing off. Start out by taking all these 3 screws out up here. There we go. Now we're going to take the fairing, first the windscreen, then the fairing, and we're just going to lift it up over top of our headlight, just like that, so I can access the back side of my Speedo cable. So I'll go ahead and take that off. Always want to take it off up here first because it spins off down there, so you're gonna have to turn the entire cable to get it out. All right. Now watch where it's run down here, so you can run the new one up the same way. That was easy enough. Alright, I'm gonna stop Pop it right there. And now what I want to do is take this off down here. All right, we're ready. So now we need to take this off of here. I just want to keep spinning. Go. Pull that out. Now I can unfold it through here. And I have my old Speedo cable off. New Speedo cable. I don't know, this might not be long enough. And that's definitely not the right size either. So I'm gonna have to take this one back, bring that one in, get the right one. In the meantime, I will put it back together so I can ride to work. All right, there we go. Let's put back together. Let me throw this in my saddlebag. And then I'll take it up there tomorrow and match it up to the right one. But thanks for watching. I'll be back tomorrow to finish the job. Stay tuned. All right, well, I'm back. I ran out to Bubba's today and swapped that Speedo cable out. My old one, there's a new one. This is busted right there. You can see, I hope the other end's not stuck in my Speedo. I'm gonna have to check it out. All right, so first off, we're gonna take off the fairing again. I'm gonna hook it up down here first, and then I'll feed this up where I want to. That goes right in there. Actually, whoops. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Gotta go through this first. Alright, so we go through that. I'm holding this tight right here, so that's sticking out. And I'm gonna put it in, and there we go. Show you what I'm doing up here. This is where I installed the one end, and now I want to tighten it up. this is gonna turn. Yep, there we go. All right, now just gonna pull it up. There we go. Now, you see where mine broke off right here? I'm gonna pull that out. You can see part of my Speedo cable is still stuck in there, so I want to get that out of there. Just like that. New one in. Tighten it up. And that should be it. Should be able to just put it back together now. My Speedo should be working. Let's find out. Alright, that should do it. Let's take her for the test run. Alright, well that fixed my problem. It was a broken Speedo cable. It was a really easy fix. But yeah, thanks for watching. Now see if I can go another 6 years on this Speedo cable.